Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can support Heir in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go to diplomacy and go to the actions right here. And after that, you will be able to influence actions. You'll see, sorry, influence actions tab. And actually, you can click on the button to support Heir, and this will eventually send a member of our influential dynasty to the target country to support them as potential here. So let's select one of those, and right here you can select a country. For now, I can't because I don't have a diplomat to perform this action. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for that algorithm, and see you in the next one.